I've got one L of a posture change for you. You'll remember the head, chin tucked in, heading back with the neck lengthening out. While you're holding that, keep those elbows directly by your side. Turn your hands out like so, and then thumbs behind you. Your arms are going to want to come away. Keep them down. And then as you're pulling back, the shoulders are going to want to crawl up. You want to, as you remember, work on keeping those shoulders down and in. Elbows tucked, thumbs heading back. Keeping that neck tall and deep, you're set up to do the breathing bit. And remember, with the breathing, we're looking for a really big, strong exhale in the diaphragm. So you're typically going to breathe a little bit longer than you normally would on your exhale, something like 6, 7, 8 seconds. And when it comes to the inhale, you don't want to see shoulders moving up or any of these neck muscles get involved in the inhale. It should all be diaphragm. And we're looking for 3 really powerful exhales. L shape, shoulders down, chin tucked. Into that diaphragm, guys. 3 of those, you've reset it with one L of a posture change.